Hello, I'm Cyrus, a sales manager of BK Realty Philippines. Let's have another virtual house tour for this afternoon, and it is located in Libertad, Butuan City. So as you can see, this house is three-story house with 5 bedrooms and 6 toilets and baths, seated in a 187 square meters with a floor area of 492 square meters. So ang inyo makita sa pagsulod ninyo is we have, I think this is a 3-car carport if it's sedan, if it's SUV, pwede siya duha. So, pag abot diri guys, na siya access to the dirty kitchen, but I think na siya formal nga door dito pagsulod, which we will be exploring in a while. So, if makita ninyo sa gawas, no, makita ninyo nga pulido kaayo ang pagka-develop sa house, napasala yung mga designated nga drainage area here for a lesser chances of flooding or excess water pagka nang may mga ulan. Dirian na yung mga mini landscaping, and for secure water supply, we have a 1,000 na siya nga best tank, no, na sila water pressure. Very amazing. Well built good siya. Here we have the extra toilet and bath, which I feel like this is for our guests and other transient visitors. What's this? Okay. This is an area for maid's quarter. And pwede po ninyo in the future, I guess, a pantry area or himo ninyo og service area and whatnot. So mo ang pasabot ni ganina nga inyuhang mahimong kanang service area or dirty kitchen in the future, di ba? Pwede diri inyuhang mga pagluto og mga for fiesta, for birthdays, for weddings and whatnot. Ako gusto ko muli gilibot kita mo kay para mas makita ninyo kung giun sa pag-develop ang tibuok 187 square meters. But right now, we will be exploring the whole house, inside of the house, giun sa siya pag-interior and whatnot. May isang ilahang kanang, oh, di ba? Actually, first time po na ko makita ang house, so every reaction that you'll be seeing in the video is an actual reaction na ako. First time ko siya makita. So this is the living area. Naku kayo ang ilahang TV. This is, I think, 60 to 70 inches. Yun. Wapo siya. The interior, the lightings, and whatnot. Going here is, pwede mo siya butangan og dining set if you like. And I access to your open kitchen. Na sila a countertop. Pwede ka makaprepare here while chika-chika sa ibang friends there nga naa sa dining area. No? Then here we have the built-in cabinets and whatnot. You can do all of your dishes here. And kitan ko isa akong na-discover na sila special na storage area, which is a very smart move because kasagaran sa mga houses, wala nila gina-occupy ang spaces below the staircases. But kana nga area is ilag yung gi-convert into storage area or pwede nila butangan sa ilahang mga gamit or tools, carpentry tools or kanang mga silhig and uban pa. So, welcome to your second floor where we have the 3 bedrooms located. Pwede na sudlan? So, for the first bedroom, okay. In fairness dagko ang sizes sa ilahang rooms here. Bago siya, I think this is 5 to 7 square meters. Bago siya. Nasa yung mga built-in cabinets. No, ready na siya. Tadaan! Well-built houses ni siya because nga house kay this is a residential house. So, ang owner mismo ang nag-build only based on their likings. And, di ba? Sino ka dyan sa inyong mini walk-in closet along with the toilet and bath. Shower, complete set, no? And if your plan also is to have one of the huge Airbnb houses in Butuan, which can accommodate up to 20 to 30 packs, nga daghan kid ng clients nga nangitaan na unfortunately wala lang gid mi ma-provide. And if you like to host them, pwede dyan din siya nga house if it's your plan. So, onto our second bedroom. May pwede kayo magtumbling-tumbling din eh. Dagko ilang rooms ha, in fairness. Na-appreciate din ako siya. No? Pwede din yeah. Every room is an empty canvas where you can paint your own design. You can arrange according to your liking. All rooms has inverter, nga split type aircon, then na po ni siya own nga toilet and bath, which is very aesthetic. No? Sino ka dyan? Next, let's have the third bedroom here. The second floor. Oh, I think this is the master bedroom, no? O master bedroom yun siya kay dako agad siya. Kung dako tong ganina mas dako ni siya and na siya special view sa outside world. Diba? Pwede mo makita kung kasi man katong mga naglabay din yung mga silingan na mo. This is actually located in a subdivision na kasagaran sa mga tao are well off. Ganyan, sama ni siya. Tuklod lang. Oh, okay. Master bedroom, nga na ay pinasmall labigid ni nga mga design sa ilahang walk-in closet, guys. In a black and white canvas. So, here, ang dako nga toilet and bath with its exclusive nga, sabay tawag ni? Diba? Pwede ka mag-enjoy sa imuhang self, no? And then mag-explore. Diba? So, napod siya aircon. And then, let's move to our third floor. I think of all my virtual house tours, no, kani ang first time nga virtual house tour ko og 3 stories, which I'm so excited about. And tama ang ako ang thinking nga ang ilahang third floor is actually a rooftop, no? If mag-rooftop mo, guys, pwede ka mag-throw og party diri. Pero kay siya, I think, if pagbutan ka og mga chairs, malagan siya mga 50 to 70 packs. So, pwede ka mag-throw og party here. Pwede ka mag-events, actually, if your goal is for business and Airbnb. And luckily, you have your own kanang murag mini kitchen here. Pwede mo mag-prepare. Pwede siya, basta, amazing siya nga house. And then, here, murag close siya. Close siya. Close. Okay. Nasa yung room. Pero pwede siya yun dito. Ay, delay. Nasa yung room. Unfortunately, lock siya. Pero nasa yung room there. And nasa yung room, guys, nga dako po, I think nasa mga 9 square meters, napod siya own toilet and bath. So the catch is, all of the rooms have their own exclusive toilet and bath. So if you're interested and you want to acquire this house, or what you want to know more about the details of this property, take note, the floor area is 492 square meters seated in a 187 lot area. So, just send me a message today. Once again, I'm Cyrus, a sales manager at BK Realty Philippines. Thank you. Bye.